Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to be going over the Conico wireless IP security cameras, and these ones are very cool because they have two of them in a pack which you can view via your phone. Has HD video, two-way audio, motion detection, sound detection. This camera has high definition resolution, stunning full HD video for recording, playback, live streaming, easy mobile Wi-Fi setup, easy setup in 2 GHz Wi-Fi network using a mobile device. Also has 32-foot clear night vision so you won't miss a thing. Smart alerts to your mobile device, send notifications to your phone when a motion is detected. Two-way audio, talk and listen with built-in mic and speaker. And also remote control and view, where you can remotely control and view via your mobile devices. Product usage for home security, office security, baby care, elder care, pet care, and store surveillance as well, guys. So let's go ahead and open up this box and take a look at the products, see exactly what they look like, and see exactly how they actually work. Connect it to the application and go from there. Let's check it out. But now, since we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and download the app and check it out, see exactly how this works and how the connection process works. Let's go. When I scanned the QR code on the app that it's supposed to be downloaded, it downloaded some app called MIPC, and here is the actual logo that you will be seeing. This is the actual app that you will be needing to download rather than the Conico app, which I originally downloaded. So let's go ahead and open that and see exactly what that takes us to. And let's go ahead and sign up, enter our information, and go from there. After entering your information, you will then be prompted to this screen right here, where you will then need to agree for the permission to storage and allow that. Next, it says that your device list is empty, so let's go ahead and add us a device. And what we're looking for is one of the other cameras. Now, please power on the camera and keep closer to the router. Let's go ahead and plug them in. I've connected multiple other cameras from sitting right here, so this should work perfectly fine. After that, you will need to give the app permission to take pictures and record audio while using the app. And then let's go ahead and enter the QR code right here, scan it. Should be simple enough. Okay, and that's not working, so let's go ahead and enter the ID manually. The ID will be located on the side of your device, so let's go ahead and enter that. After you enter your information and choose your Wi-Fi network, your device will start. Successfully. Awesome, it hasn't been that long, and it actually confirmed within like 30 seconds. So let's go ahead and press the confirm button, and then we will go ahead and view some of the camera footage from the Conico indoor camera. Let's check it out. And it automatically connected both of them, so that's pretty cool because it's showing my hand right here on this one, a still photo of it. So let's go ahead and check that one out. And yeah, there it is. There is the actual camera footage. And we'll go ahead and click that out right now. We'll set password later and everything. And right now I have it set to the cloud, but you can view it any which way that you would like, even from the SD card as well. So let's go ahead and dive a little bit further in depth into the actual app. As you can see on the left side of my screen, I am changing the color of my Echo Glow, and then here is my Sharper Image Aromatherapy diffuser as well. So the camera footage is absolutely fantastic. Like overall, you can see very clearly and the motion looks nice. Overall, fantastic. Big thumbs up. Definitely awesome camera system so far, and the ease of connection was perfect. So definitely a 10 out of 10. Love the actual overall look too. They're very small, very stylish. Overall, have amazing camera quality. Let's go ahead and grab this box and put it up in front of it as well. As you can see, I could actually use this as another filming camera. Now, since you had a chance to actually take a look at some of the footage for yourself, let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below as well. I will leave links to this product down in the description if you guys want to check it out for yourself. And I want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Unboxing. Smash that notification bell to stay up to date on our newest uploads. And as always, keep it real.